So if you're living in an HOA, the most important thing you should know is that to do most things, you're probably going to need some sort of approval from the association. So any alteration you want to make to your home that is maybe outside of it or related to the exterior wall or the roof or the backyard or your balcony, you're probably going to need some sort of layer of approval from the association. So it's important to note that if you're going to live in an association, make sure to read the declaration so you know what you would need to ask permission for as it relates to living inside of the community. Another thing to note is association maintenance is not cheap. Oftentimes associations have several vendors that they need to pay to maintain the association, things like landscaping, elevator maintenance, roof maintenance, things of that nature. All of those are vendors that need to be paid on a routine basis. So the homeowners pay for that through their monthly maintenance. It's important to note that depending on how much work needs to be done year over year, the budget may increase and ultimately your monthly maintenance may increase. So that's another important thing to note. An association has a lot of different ways it could go. And oftentimes, as time goes by, there's more maintenance that needs to be done. So the expenses of an association as a homeowner may continue to increase over time.